Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is gonna be my second attempt to do PDO threads on my forehead. The first time I did it, it was very hard. It wasn't going in. I don't know, maybe it's just my skin is thicker. What I'm gonna be doing my 11s. I don't really have lines, but I just got mad because I have these acne scars along what normal 11 lines would be. So it looked like I have the lines, and I've been doing microneedle for a long time now, and it helped a lot my whole skin and face and different acne scars smaller. But this one appear bigger. They are like a boxer scars, and that's what I'm trying to fix it, so it's gonna be more flat. As you can see, they are more in, and so I'll be using PDO screws in those lines, and maybe some PDO mono across. So wish me luck. I'm gonna numb it. Last time I did it, I numbed it also, and I hit the vein, so I got scared, and that was my first time. But I applied pressure right away because it was bleeding, and when the bleeding stopped, I used the ice right away. So I was holding the ice for a long time, and I was actually surprised that I didn't have no bruising. Even under the skin, I didn't see any blood, any bruising. So I was really surprised, but I'm still scared. Hopefully it will be okay this time and easier, since I already know. And I think it's harder too because of the scars. The skin is just thicker, so we'll see. Okay, let's do this. I disinfected the area where I'm gonna be inserting the needle. Put the gloves on. I disinfected everything with my alcohol, rubbing alcohol, my face, and the other stuff, just in case. I have my favorite roller straight from the freezer. I love it. It's good for the puffy eyes too. That's when I'm using it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using those threads. They are 29 gauge, 25 millimeters screw, PDO screw. I think I'm just gonna be using 2, and then the rest I'm gonna add some PDO mono. But the screws, we're gonna go, maybe I'm gonna do 2 in each. It goes in the 11s. Level up. Let's see. Let's see, I'm trying to do so you can see also. Not easy. one is in. Now this one is gonna be harder because this scar is, it's the raised scar is thicker. So then under the skin is really thicker too. Oh, I should start from this side. Okay, I think it's good. I'm hot. Woo. Now I'm gonna use mono 29 gauge, 25 millimeters. I can feel something in there, probably vein. But the PDO screws, they're used for giving a volume. So they are good in these areas like 11s or here, or if you want to give volume here. Yeah, I hit the vein there. All right, so they are in. There's some that didn't go all the way in, sticking out. I'm not gonna pull it out. I'm just gonna clip the end and hopefully it's gonna stay. There's a little piece right there of the screw, so I like to push it all the way in because then they just sticks out. I don't know why they don't go all in, but this is a tough area to do. I was just icing with my roller. Don't judge, I need a drink, but this is no wine. This is just Coke. Okay, and that's it. I hope the PDO screws will help to build some volume in here within time, because obviously not right away, and we'll have with some collagen and elastin production. And hopefully the acne scars will become a little bit smaller. Oh. All right. So I decided to do 2 more. Wanted to see how it's gonna be. The PDO screw, it actually was easier than the 11th. So let me see how the other one will go. No numbing, because I just wanted to try. This one is harder. Oh yeah, it's done. They're in. I felt something here, like I'm hitting a vein, but hopefully not. I was redirecting. There is no numbing, so I can feel more. Actually, once the needle is under, you don't really feel the pain. You just feel by the when you're inserting, obviously. Okay. Oh, good. Ice it a little bit. And we good. I hope you liked the video and you will like it and give me some love because that was scary. I think this is a tough area. Click subscribe button if you didn't yet, and I will see you in the next video.